Hey y'all, hey, I'm back with another voiceover. So in this video, I'm going to be giving my fiance his first detox, y'all. Yes, I am so excited. This is the first time I've ever did a detox. This is his first detox. And I'm not even going to lie, at first it was kind of sketchy, but it ended up being a okay thing. So I used baking soda, a lemon, and the apple cider vinegar. I put that all in his hair. The smell was killing us. He was plugging his nose and complaining. And I had to redo it again with just baking soda and lemon because that apple cider vinegar smell was really overwhelming, y'all. When I say overwhelming, like I swear I was about to die. So I did it the second time with just baking soda and the lemon. I rinsed it out for the second time. And once I got it all rinsed out, I was like, let me just go in here with a regular shampoo just to make sure you're cleansed and rehydrated. So, you know me, that's what we did. We went in with a regular shampoo after he had 2 detoxes. And I shampooed his hair. By this time, he was over it. He was looking at the ceiling because there was a stink bug. He thought the stink bug was going to get him. It was hilarious. But I went in with the regular shampoo. I did the regular shampoo. We rinsed that all out. And then I went in with a conditioner. And y'all, when I tell y'all, he cried because the water was cold. And didn't want to get his hair done no more. He was definitely over it. So I had to hurry up and rinse that stuff out so we could get him up and out this sink because he did not want to get this done to his hair. But I told him it's been 2 months and you need a deep clean, baby. We need to make sure your locks is clean and they don't be stinking and you be fresh. So that's what I did. I got him right. As you just see at the end of the video, his dreads look so much more refreshed and nourished, and yes, just looking healthy and thriving through life, if you know what I'm saying. And yes, I am doing hair in my bathroom sink. Before y'all get on here trying to come for me, talking about where I do hair and where I wash hair, last time I checked, y'all ain't paying for me to have no damn studio. So keep your 2 cents for your motherfucking self or put it in your kid's piggy bank because I don't want it. Okay? Okay. But yeah, I'll be back with the next part of his hair tutorial for his retwist and show y'all the finished style. Alright guys, bye.